Hello friends, this is Jalpa Mehta. Today I would like to say something about Mahatma Gandhi. So my respected friends and colleagues, listen to me carefully. Mahatma Gandhi born was on 2nd October 1869, Porbandar in Gujarat. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. His father name was Karamchand Gandhi. His mother name was Putlibai, and Gandhi is also known as Bapu and father of the nation. His great followers of peace and non-violence. He started important of movement like a civil right movement, Dandi March movement, and in Quiet India movement, etc. His birthday celebrated in every year as a Gandhi Jayanti. He is a great leader of our country. He died on 13th January 1948. His life was spent in our freedom, fighting, struggle, and for independence India. He is called as the Bapu and Rashtrapita, and he spent life against British rule for our freedom, us. Mahatma Gandhi was believed in simple living and high thinking. He was born at Indian Hindu family on 2nd October 1869, Porbandar in Gujarat, and well, great life story of our inspirations for us. Movement to achieve freedom. He is many times got arrested and sent to the jail, but he never discourages himself and continue fighting and achieve Indian freedom. He was a real father of the nations who really used all power to make us free from British rule, and he truly understood in the our unity in the people, and he which used all thoughts Indians independence movement, and finally Britishers to fight India, and forever the movement is mass movement. And the 15th August 1947 Indian Independence Day celebrated in every year.